The Southern Region Community Health Center opened its doors bright and early this morning, ready to help spread immunity in the community. Public Health was prepared to administer a total of 250 doses of the first round of the Moderna vaccine to Phase 1C individuals consisting of ages 60 to 74, along with first responders and other essential frontline workers. When we arrived, we were surprised to see not just a steady intake and service of patients, but also no lines. Inarajan Mayor Tony Chargaloff said they aim to make the entire process comfortable and convenient for everyone.
We advise everybody to please stay in their vehicles. We call them out in batches of 20 or 25. So that's why, as you see, the canopies are going to look empty. But until we go out into the parking lot and call them in, we work in that increment. Therefore, there's no commingling. While everybody's in their cars, my staff is going around and delivering water, offering water, and of course, informing them that the restrooms are open.
Santa Rita resident Shannon Murphy explained how she attempted to get the COVID vaccine twice in the past, but didn't make the cut. Today, she was able to get her first dose of the Moderna vaccine.
It didn't hurt at all. I mean, I'm not one single bit. I get shots and it hurts, but this one just didn't hurt. It was great. And it was so fast. Everybody's so nice here. Really happy. It's worth the freedom that we'll have. Once we have the vaccine, we can, live our life again. We don't have to be scared to go out of the house or go shopping or go to the States or visit our family.
Although the vaccine is a huge step in the right direction back into normalcy, Public Health's Dr. Bob Leon Guerrero warns everyone that just because you get vaccinated doesn't mean you're 100% immune to the virus. Earlier this week, a GFD personnel tested positive for COVID after receiving his second dose of the vaccine.
With the first dose, it's about 50% rate of getting antibodies. But it does, with like any vaccine, it does take about 2 to 3 weeks before it kicks in. So if you just, say, for instance, just got the second dose and then got exposed, it does take, like I said, 2 to 3 weeks before it kicks in. So if he's got exposed before the vaccine has taken effect, he's going to get sick.
Those who get vaccinated are also encouraged to register for the symptom monitoring tool VSafe at vsafe.cdc.gov. COVID-19 Incidents Response PIO, Grace Bordalio.
It's a text messaging tool where the CDC asks you a couple of questions of how you're feeling, and then it also reminds you that to take your second dose. And then you get periodic daily messages from the CDC, and then if you're doing well, then your next message might be a couple of days before your second dose is due.
Public Health will continue their vaccination clinics here at the Southern Region Community Health Center in Inarajan up until Friday. They open at 8:30 a.m. and are servicing the first 250 individuals in Phase 1C. Now remember, you must not have had COVID or any other vaccination such as the flu shot within the past 2 weeks. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Tyler Matanani.